Autumn in Wales is a celebration of sights and sounds. There's nowhere quite like it. No season as special. My name is Alan Wallace and I'm a landscape astrophotographer. When you're heading out for a shoot, you're a million miles away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. And for a moment in time, everything stops. Being up here, it makes you feel completely at ease. And as autumn's golden colours fade to night, the darkest of skies are filled with millions of stars. This is autumn. This is Wales.